What is up, everyone? My name is Stanley and welcome to 3-Minute Design. Today I want to talk with you about talking with clients and requirements. You see, we had this case when the work I work full-time, the client comes to us, then we kind of pitch them, we do some kind of ideation, what could be cool for them. We send it to them. If they like it, then they reply, all right. And we got this client, and it's like extremely big company. It's from the east, and actually that's one of the biggest companies I've seen so far. And I saw the technology that they have. I saw the solutions that they have, and I was like, wow, these guys are going bold. It's really big, and I thought to myself, what could we do for them? Because they like have nearly everything. And I started to have some ideas of maybe, yeah, let's include this or this. But I was thinking to myself, I decided to reach out to our researcher and talk with her about possibilities of creating some innovation. And while we were chatting, I explained her the whole context of what does it look like, and she replied to me, but okay, so you wanna try to innovate it, like create something new, but why don't you just ask them? Why don't you do a workshop, and then during a workshop we'll just find out what's important? I was like, oh hell, why didn't I think of this? I mean, that's like so obvious that I should have made it. The workshop is like literally the best solution for situations like this. But I kind of got stuck in this idea that, okay, I gotta pitch them, I gotta create something new. And of course, I work in an agency, let's say, where we work for our clients, and we create products for them. And so that kind of works out. But you might think, okay, but I have my own product, so what do I do? And the thing is, it's the same thing. You just go to your customers, to go to your clients and ask them, do maybe workshop? I know one guy who ran a design sprint where they took literally somebody from their target group, and they run the design sprint with somebody from their target group, and that person was actually a decider. And from what I know, it turned out really great. So next time you think about what should you create, I would just advise you talk with your clients or your customers. Just know their problem. It's obvious again, but I forgot about it. So just talk with them, and you will find out what hurts them the most. And then you can find the solution for this. All right, see ya.